for snack. For your little.
Shopping outside, grocery store life. Today. Yeah, outside grocery lifestyle in the store. Get some yum. Store shopping people. Doing my groceries. You know what it is. Getting it. So we shop in Toronto. Success, what are you getting? Getting fish, frozen fish, guys. African style. You know what I'm saying? Go to the meat section just now. Yeah, people, you can get your cow foot over here, so cut up your goat meat, you know what I'm saying? Goat foot, goat head, all of that right here. Come over here so you can get your chickens, chicken breasts, turkey meat, smoked meat up here. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, so it's all shopping meat section. See your favorite meat, see your prices. Fresh meat, guys. You can come here so and get your fresh meat. See all the prices for everything. Your salt meat over here. You already know what it is. Up and running. Shrimp. Allah, Muslim, clean and prepare. Okay guys, we're going to cash out now. It's the egg section, dairy section. Just doing a quick grocery today. One-stop shop. That's what we call it. One-stop shop, right? One-stop shop. She likes her noodles. Noodles. This is the noodles aisle. All about the noodles. Yes guys, we're about to go cash out right now, so thank you. Shrimp is around the other side. Let's go get some shrimp. Say shrimp for the audience. Shrimp, ram goat soup, everything there, sir. Big up on yourself in the grocery store. Outside, it's a long day today, but we're out here. You know what I'm saying? Catching some groceries, going home, have some TV and relax, right? Alright, that is it. Yeah guys, getting some shrimp right here. Which one you picking? That one? Okay. Make sure it's the one that's properly deveined, because some of them are false advertisement. Make sure you check them. And please guys, do not buy farm raised food. Nothing from shrimp, fish, nothing that's farm raised within seafood, you should not buy it. It's not healthy. Shopping, groceries. This is my Saturdays.
No bag?
Yeah, we have bags. Yeah, guys, thank you for watching. We're shopping. Just at a regular grocery store, nothing too crazy. Yes, guys, still cashing out, packing up the bags. This is what it is. A little video. Thank you guys for watching. See you in the next one. And don't forget to subscribe, share, and like. And thank you again to become a part of the Jamrock Media family. We are outside without no fear, alright? Big up everyone.